In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ehlers Smoothed Adaptive Momentum in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. We just need a chart on the screen so we can add the indicator. On the top of your chart, look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside that Indicators window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into the search field to activate it. This is where you'll type the name of the indicator we want. Now, carefully type Ehlers Smoothed Adaptive Momentum into the search bar exactly in that order. As you type, TradingView will start showing results that match what you're entering. When you see Ehlers Smoothed Adaptive Momentum appear in the list, click on it once. That will immediately add the indicator to your chart, typically in a separate panel below the price. You should now see the momentum line or lines plotted. To fine-tune how it looks and behaves, we'll go into the settings. On the chart, move your mouse over the name of the indicator in the panel. You'll see a small gear icon appear next to it. Click that gear icon to open the settings window. In the settings, you can adjust inputs such as lengths or smoothing parameters. And you can also customize the style, like colors and line thickness, so it's easy to read against your chart background. If you're just getting started, you can leave the default inputs as they are and only tweak the colors or line width so the indicator stands out clearly. When you're happy with your changes, click OK or Apply to save them and return to your chart. At this point, the Ehlers Smoothed Adaptive Momentum indicator is fully added and customized on your TradingView Pro chart. If you don't already have a TradingView Pro account and you want the same layout and features you're seeing here, use the sign up link in the video description to get started with Pro. Then simply repeat these steps on your own charts to add this indicator anytime you need it.